Responsive appointment. Request form with date and time picker on Asicoder. Whether you're a developer building a service-based website or a freelancer creating custom appointment forms, this template is a perfect plug-and-play solution. No external libraries or frameworks required. Custom cake order form. Responsive HTML. It allows users to personalize their cake orders by selecting cake type, filling, icing, shape, and flavor, while also collecting delivery details, allergy info, preferred date and time, and payment details. Product return and refund request form. Responsive. It includes all essential fields such as order ID, product details, reason for return, return type, exchange, charge refund, product condition, additional comments, image upload, and customer contact information. Purchase order and receipt generator, HTML, CSS plus JavaScript. This template allows users to create, calculate, and print purchase orders directly from the browser. No backend required. It includes fields for vendor and customer details, itemized entries, code, description, quantity, price, auto-calculated subtotal, tax, discounts, and total amount. Built with clean HTML, CSS, and JS, the form also generates a print-ready receipt from the entered PO data, making it ideal for offline records or emailing in PDF format. Sales invoice and receipt generator, HTML plus JavaScript. A responsive and interactive sales invoice form with built-in JavaScript functionality to add products, calculate totals, apply discount and tax, and generate a professional printable receipt. This lightweight HTML template is perfect for small businesses, freelancers, POS systems, or any app that needs an invoice generator without a backend. auto-calculation of subtotal, tax, discount, and total. Users can input invoice number, date, customer details, product info, code, description, quantity, unit price, and dynamically see calculations for subtotal, discount, tax, and total. Once all data is entered, clicking Generate Receipt produces a formatted receipt ready for printing.